Hello everybody, I've just dropped on, this is a really super quick video, even though I'll probably waffle a little bit, so I apologise. Now, I know you've heard us talking about reverse reflections, etc., but this is now double-sided reflections. Now, when you print them, they do look a little bit strange, okay? So, we've got the one I've chose to actually show this method with is the Mice to Meet You. Okay, so beautiful little collection, but when you print it out, like I say, it does look a little bit odd, especially because we've got this big black line down the middle. But all of that really makes a difference because let me bring in the die cut. Okay, so this is that lovely die cut. But if I turn her over, look at that. How clever is that? We're double-sided, which is just brilliant. Now, it doesn't stop you doing your decoupage layers. Everything is still the same. The secret is that little black line. So I'm going to pop that to one side. So here we have our reflections. Now, we've printed it on many different forms, but I have found the best way to print this is to use our 140 GSM, okay? Because when you double it up and fold it, you've actually got 280 GSM, okay? We have printed on the 250, it does work, but the 240 actually allows it to stay together. So let's move out that way and I'll show you. So let's fold, glasses on, let's fold this in half. So we're going to get it on that black line. Now, ideally, if you'd got a scoreboard, that would be the best way to go. But it's super simple to do, just like so, okay? So I've folded it on that black line. So I've now got two pieces of paper back to back. I'm going to get my die, a little bit of tape, and now when I lay that die other side, so there is a right and wrong way of using it. So obviously on this side, that's the reverse. This way, that's the right way of using it, okay? So if you do that and you think, well, it's not fitting, it's not going on, Mandy. Amanda said it would work. Flip it over, and because that's the reverse side, that's the right way. Line it up like any other reflection that we ever use, okay? Nothing is any different. Pop it over the top until it disappears. Like this. Again, same combination, your plate combination, nothing yet is changing. The only thing that is now different is you can actually see one of the images. Normally, it would just be a plain white card. And just pop it through. And then we have beautiful little images like this, okay? That's double-sided. What happens as well, when you've got the 140 GSM, it squeezes those fibres together. You may get the odd one that will peel apart, but just pop a little bit of glue in there to glue them back together. So this is the one that I cut. And remember, this piece that I'm showing you now is the back. This is the reverse. So if I peel that away, okay, you can see how clean, because there's not much left there, how good that alignment is when it's double-sided. It is phenomenal. And now, using my pokey tool, just like you would with any other, release your die. There she is. That's the right side. Ta-da! There's the other side. How fabulous is that? So now, as always, when you do your die cutting though, you will find that one is the right side, let's say. And if you're a seasoned die cutter, you will understand what I mean by that. That's the lovely smooth beveled edge. But as and when you need to, and you may do a spinning card, or you're going to see some of the back of this, especially if you use the lovely crystal balls that we had on the show. You will need the double-sided reflection. So isn't that phenomenal? Super exciting that you can do that. Lines it beautifully, and it's so easy. Isn't it easy? You just fold it on that black line, and everything else, we've done all the hard work for you. So I hope that helps with your double-sided reflections. Want to see your makes. Anything else that you need, any education you need, don't forget to drop onto our YouTube channel and hit subscribe, like and share. And then also we've got our other platforms, which is Facebook and our Instagram accounts, and you'll find so much inspiration on there as well. So thank you for joining me with this little inspiration, and we'll see you all again soon. Bye.
If you want to see more from Highlight Crafts, make sure you click the like button. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below, and click the bell icon to receive notifications of all of our future content. You can also click here to see our latest video, or click here to see more videos like this one.